What is going on? I'm out here with the chicken in the ceramics boat. I have been requested to do this for a long time, and I'm finally getting around to doing it. So we're gonna see how this goes. If you watch last few videos, you know that the ceramics boat did float, and we're gonna see if the chicken in the ceramics boat will float, or maybe the chicken will just jump out and drown. I don't know, but flip the camera angle around and put the chicken in the boat and see how it does. All right, here she goes. She's in the boat. She's moving. She's rocking the boat back and forth. That's not a good idea. I'm gonna study this for her. Send her on down the sea, down the creek. Give you a boost. She's trucking. She's busting right on down the river. She better be careful. She keeps rocking the boat. And she likes it. Uh-oh. Boat's going down, boat's going down. Alright, I got her. That was a little bit rough. Alright, go back. Pet carrier, you dumb heifer. Alright. As for the boat, don't really know where it went. It's gone. I'm not quite sure where it's going. But I can tell you one thing right here. If the chicken would have quit rocking the boat, would have just sat down in the middle, definitely would have been fine. But she coulda, woulda, but she didn't. And now my boat is lost. What a dirty trick she just pulled on me. Oh, there it is. Water's freezing. Look at her sitting over there in her pet carrier. Oh, it is so heavy. It is so heavy. But it is not heavy. Okay. There's the boat. There's the chicken. That's just the way it is. Kind of failed, kind of didn't. She just needs some more experience in the boat driving business. But anyway, if you liked the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.